So what's up YouTube? I hope all are doing fine, and let's jump into the video without wasting time. Okay, so in this particular video I'll teach you about how to use history command. It's a story history that will display all the commands which you used previously, like in the last what and all the command you used. uh, let's say that is what the history means. Let's say you need to list the history in limit the number of commands. Let's say you need to limit by 10. Then okay, I need to use n, I guess. N and 10, it did not display. Okay, so history uses minus c n. Let me use a 10 like that. So it will display the only the 10, like top 10, I guess, last 10. That is what the use of what history hyphen 10. That will display the what 10 last 10 commands which we used it. And if you use C, then it is used to clear history. If you use like this, if you go for history HIST or by history again, then you can't see the history because it will be cleared. That is what hyphen C argument is doing. Okay, so let me say that you used ls minus ls hyphen la, then ls hyphen lrt. Okay, you have a history, right? So you will do cat command, then you will end this all the okay. You used many commands like ls command you used, cat command you used, but you need to list only the ls commands which you used in the past. Okay, what you do, you print HIST or by history, then you will use pipe command. Pipe command is used to where you are using two what executor, like you are doing one execution and you are inputting that output as a input to the next execution. That will be using grep and ls. If I press enter, it will show all the histories where I used ls commands. Okay, let's say you need to print the history in the reverse format, then you can use r. That will obviously reverse the history, but it is not reversing. Okay, if you need to save the history in some file, you can use redirection symbol. That will save the history. Then you can do cat and file.txt, then you can see all the history will be present here. Okay, okay, first now you need to, if you need to change the history file, then you can also change. And if you don't know how to use history, you can use help. That will help how to use history. Then C for clear and D for offset, delete the history, enter the position offset, like till to this number, delete that particular history. And A to append all history lines from this session into the history files, and N to read all history lines not already read from the history, and R to read the history files, and W to currently write the current history to the history files. So since let's say that you already made a one file which has a history of a previous, then you need to overwrite that. Then you can use hyphen w to override that. It's not override, it will save the history from that next line till to that line which has been filled. Okay, if you use p, that will perform a history expansion on each arg. If you use s, it will show the history list in a single entries. That is what the use of history command. Like you can also check the version of the history, I guess. RS version also, I guess there is no version for this version. Okay, so that is all up guys, and thanks for watching. Bye.